It's so beautiful to be with nature. Jai Gurudev. Today, we have Ms. Ganga Sharma. She's the OD coach, and we are blessed to have her here at our Art of Living Kollam Ashram. She's come here to do a workshop, a nature to nature workshop, and it's a privilege, and it's my welcoming you on behalf of Art of Living Kollam.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, thank you for the very lovely introduction. I want to share a few things with you. In organization change management, they say leaf carries the pattern of a tree. And our Gurudev, His Holiness Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji, he says microcosm is linked to macrocosm. Okay? This 4 hours workshop is designed for you to discover your true nature. And the methodology I'll be using is constellations. I got trained in Europe. For a decade, I was traveling, and it's an amazing experiential workshop. What do you see? I'm carrying 4 different types of leaves, isn't it? Based on your aspirations, your potential, and the interplay of your hope, fear, you can spatially arrange and we can explore. Now, what is the benefit of this workshop, you might ask? In one line, I would say it's a sneak peek into your unconscious. Okay? Glimpse of your dilemmas. Okay, this particular leaf, if you see, there is a fork. Should I go for higher studies? Should I take up a job? You're holding this leaf and probably you're at crossroads. If you are, then this is the workshop for you. Okay, so nature to nature. The material we are using is from nature, from ashram, Kollam Ashram campus, okay? And it takes you to discover your true nature. 4 hours workshop, and this is a fundraising workshop, and there will be a donation of ₹1,000 for each participant. At the end of 4 hours, we would assign a mentor for you and identify projects that can help you access your hidden potential. Many thanks. Best wishes. Sangha Chadvam, Ganga signing off. Jai Gurudev.